Hi, my name is Dillon. I work down here at Cole Chevy's Internet Department, and I'm here to give you the tip of the day. For today's tip of the day, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to read a Carfax whenever you're looking for a vehicle online. When looking for a vehicle, it is imperative to always check the vehicle's Carfax before coming in to drive it. This vehicle Carfax can show you the vehicle's ownership from when it was made to maybe its third owner, how many miles are on the vehicle, how much warranty is left on the vehicle, and any service or repair records on the Carfax. Say you're looking for a vehicle such as this 2019 Chevrolet Equinox LT. When you pull up the vehicle, you can find the price, different sorts of key features on the vehicle, how to get a quote, but you can go right down here to this Carfax tool and click on it in order to pull up the vehicle's Carfax. When looking for a vehicle, it is important to get an understanding where the vehicle was last owned, such as this one in South Carolina, how many owners it has, such as this one where it's a certified one-owner vehicle, and a full breakdown of all the service records on the vehicle. You can find them towards the end of the Carfax from when the vehicle was originally built and purchased all the way through to the ownership that we have it now as a used vehicle. Buying a car can overwhelm anyone, but once you access this vehicle history report, you'll be able to drive off with something you know is safe and reliable. Thank you for watching Cole Chevy's Tip of the Day. Be sure to check back next week for more useful tips and tricks. Be sure to shop online and schedule your next service appointment online at colechevy.com and come in to find out why we're just better.